Hello to my little rock stars, and I am sure that you have learned all the 4 chapters that we have done previously. And now, today, we are here with chapter number 5. And what are you going to learn in chapter number 5? I hope everybody is very excited to see what we are going to learn in chapter number 5. And this chapter, which is the chapter number 5, we are going to understand the usage of verbs. Now, what are verbs? Verbs are actions. Just think of what all actions do you do on everyday basis. For example, in the morning you wake up. So, wake up is an action. Then you come to the school. So, coming is actually an action. Run, walk, sleep, drink, go, take, all these are called actions because you are doing something. That is why we refer them as actions. Now you have understood what actions are all about, and actions in English do have different forms. Right, like when you were a child, you like your friends, you like your parents. Similarly, different verb forms like to be used in different ways. And we have to learn that whenever you talk about everyday thing, for example, if you go to school every day, so go is the first form of the verb. So whatever you do on daily basis, that should always be used using the first form of the verb. So I go to school every day, I drink a glass of milk every day, I take my tiffin with me every day. So take, drink, go. These are used in the first form because you are talking about an everyday schedule. You're talking about something that you do on everyday basis. So now understand the second form of the verb, that after go, what's the second form of the verb that we can use? We can use the verb form which is went, which means you want to talk about something in the past. Now similarly, considering the age group and your grade, we today will tell you about the 3 forms of the verb. The first form, which is go, and then moving it to the ing form of the verb, which is going, and the last one, which is goes. Now, what is the difference that you can see in go and in goes? What's the difference? It's very simple. Let's not get confused. When you have I, you, we, they, and plural. Let's repeat. I, you, we, they, and plural. Plural means more than one. For example, Rita and Geeta, it's like more than 2 people. So then you're going to use go, which is the first form of the verb. But what if you have verbs like, or the pronouns like he, she, it, or maybe any singular noun, for example, Radhika, Gitika, Rahul. So for all these singulars and the singular pronouns like he, she, or it, you always use s or es with the verb, making it goes. So he goes, I go. We go, she goes. They go, because they is a plural, but when it comes to it, we will use it goes. Rahul goes, Rahul and Preeti. Now because you've got 2 persons, you're going to say Rahul and Preeti go. I hope these 2 forms are clear. Let's move to the ing form of the verb, which is going. How do you use going? We use going because you want to tell somebody that the action is still continuing. I am going to the school, which means you're going to the school right now. I am drinking a glass of milk, which means you are drinking the glass of milk right now. So that is why we use ing form of the verb. So I am going, she is going. I hope you're able to understand the difference. With I, we have used the word which is am as a helping verb, and when we used he, she, it, you will change the helping verb and you will use is. He is going, she is going, we are going. Again, here we have used are, we are going. So with plurals we do use are. So here we have, if you can see in your workbooks, there are certain sentences. Please check out those sentences, read them with your teacher, And after that, we have a DIY, which is do it yourself. Based on your understanding of these three verbs, you have to do certain fill in the blanks. For example, I dash water, so you have to write what is the right form of the verb here. I drink water. Please make sure you fill in the blanks in the correct manner, and this is how we have ended the chapter with the verb forms.